Hello and welcome to this checkmating 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by H Charlick in 1879. Black has the king, 2 pawns, the bishop and the knight. White has the king, a pair of knights, bishop and the rook. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Checking the king by moving your knight to e4 won't get you a mate in 2. The black king can move to e5. You can do a reveal check moving away, but the black king just has an escape square. Checking the king with a knight to f7 move doesn't get you a mate. The black king can take your other knight. If you check with your rook, the king can just move away. Moving your king to b6 doesn't help because the black bishop can just take your knight. And you just have to move your king away. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your rook to e5. The pawn takes your rook, you can move your knight to e4 to do the checkmate in 2. If black decides to advance the f-pawn, you can move your knight to f7 to do the checkmate. If black takes the rook with the king, you can move the knight to f7 to do the checkmate in 2. If black takes the knight with their bishop, you can move your knight to f7 to do the checkmate. And if black takes the rook with the bishop, you can move your knight to e4 to do the mate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.